Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you, we're going to do product review of this Instant Pot RIO Wide 7.5 quart, and also going to cook a recipe. At least try to cook some easy recipe today, so that way we can do a demonstration how this is done. And I was looking and there were so many options out there, but I decided to go with this one, and I hope I made right choice. So let's get started.
Link is in the description box if you want to purchase one.
User manuals. There was a time I get excited about vacations, new house and stuff. Nowadays I get excited when I get new appliances in my kitchen. You know. Oh my god, it's pretty heavy. So this is how it looks. It is wide. It's quite heavy too. To be honest, it is heavy. I'm going to take the whole thing out. Oh wow, look at this. Look at this, nice wide. This is wide. The bottom is nice and heavy. It looks very small compared to the one I used to have. It's like bulky. Let me show you the one so we can compare next to each other. This compared to this one is 8 quart, so it's gonna be a little bit, as you can see, it's like big. And look at this. This is wide. This is long, deep. This one I used quite few years, and now it is broken. Put this out of the way. I just wanted to show you how the comparison on the side. Let's try the rack. This is going to be perfect for me. I put lentils and rice. I try to cook both same time. Let's quickly look at the functions. For the functions, we have saute, pressure cook, temperature, time, slow cook, soup, meat, beans and chili, rice, yogurt, eggs, poultry, multigrains, that's a new one, and steam. Delay, start, keep warm, start and cancel. So first thing, I'm going to clean the inner pot and clean everything, and then we'll ready to use it. And I will cook something really quick so that way we can see if it's working properly or not. Let's see if this works. Saute 30 minutes, and then I have to, I guess, start. Yep. So now I can change the temperature here if I want high, medium, low. So let's see if I go, this is medium, low temperature, and then it shows preheating, cook, warm, which is perfect. And right now I'm gonna cancel it. This is like, okay, you have to press it very hard. So today I just soaked these garbanzo beans, which I am planning to boil in the pressure cooker. So we will pressure cook this and see this. Beans here. Let's go with bean. I want to do 40 minutes and see how it is. And then let's just start. And right now it's preheating. When it's ready, I'll come back and show you. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested purchasing one, you can find link in the bio.